Welcome to the video on the Redmi Note 15 Pro plus 5G in Coffee Mocha, featuring 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Key features include a 200MP OIS camera, 6500 mAh battery, Snapdragon 7's Gen 4, 1.5K Crystal AMOLED display, IP69/69K rating, and 100W hypercharge. The MRP is $39,999, but you can get it for $37,999, inclusive of all taxes. EMI starts at just $1,336, with no-cost EMI available. With every purchase, receive a free Redmi watch move. Enjoy pro-level photography, power, performance, and durability. Experience extreme durability with Redmi Titan Durability and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The 6500 mAh battery provides all-day power, reducing battery anxiety. Capture ultra-sharp details and steady videos with the 200 master-pixel camera. Enjoy 4K recording and pro-grade clarity in all your shots. The next-gen Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor delivers smooth, efficient, and pro-multitasking performance. This is segment's most durable smartphone, featuring Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and IP66, IP68, IP69, IP69K protection. The TUV-certified 6-year dependable 6500 mAh battery supports 100W hypercharge for fast charging when you need it. The 1.5K quad-curved AMOLED display is brighter, clearer, and more immersive, with 3200 nits peak brightness and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Enjoy smarter help built in with Circle to Search, Gemini Assistance, and Xiaomi Hyper AI tools. AI works with you, for you. Xiaomi offline communication enables kilometer-level device-to-device calling, even in no-signal zones or when networks are congested. The phone is powered by Xiaomi Hyper OS 2, promising 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches for seamless cross-device interconnectivity. Experience advanced eye protection with triple certification, reducing strain during extended viewing sessions. Asymmetric stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver ultra-loud and ultra-clear sound, with immersive depth and crystal-clear dialogue. The phone is built stronger, inside and out, with high-strength fiberglass back, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and flagship-grade IP protection. Enjoy a stunning, immersive, and durable display. The AMOLED screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for exceptional resistance. Smarter beyond the network, HyperOS brings intelligent AI and offline communication, supporting device-to-device calling even with poor network coverage.